Hey, so you wanna create some cool Instagram stories, but the catch is you don't really wanna create them. You wanna have a template. In this video, you'll learn how to get Instagram story templates that are super cool, that look really well, and that can get you more engaged followers and make you stand out. All I need from you is to grab two things, not zero, one, two things. First, a cup of coffee, cause you're awesome, and second, my 0 to 10k guide on how to get from 0 to 10k followers on Instagram in the description down below. But before all that, I want you to smash the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you want more Instagram how-to videos. So there's so many apps that you can actually use to get Instagram story templates. For example, you can use Canva, and I have a link for Canva in the description down below. But another app that I wanted to show in this video, because everyone would just say use Canva, is actually Mojo. I have the paid version, but the free version has most of the features. It has so many features that you can use, and I've been using the free version for a while before deciding to switch to the paid version. And the interesting thing about Mojo is I have no affiliation with them. I have no affiliate link for them. I'm not sponsored to tell you it's a good app, but this is what I use, and I just paid the yearly subscription. It's like 50 bucks a year or so. So let me show you what you can actually do with Mojo, with the app. Here are some stories that I've created. For example, when I want to promote a new video, I just use a template like this, and I'll show you how you can do something like this. Look at this, it looks like a text, right? Someone is texting you, I want to get from 0 to 10k followers. This is for my lead magnet to ask people to download my guide, and then they are joined in my email list. Maybe you are as well, where you get a lot of Instagram value, but I'll also have you subscribe there, and I can entertain you with information regarding my future uploads. Look at this, my mentorship program, right? Some other stuff, a template with the vectors for the iPhone and other things. So how can you create them? How can you create cool Instagram stories with templates? First of all, you have trending ones. Right now you have some feature ones like this one. Ooh, that's really good. Okay, animated backgrounds. I actually like this one. Okay, let's try this. So we just click create story, right? We have no idea what we're doing, and we already have a really cool background, and I just gotta add an image, and I'll just use a stock image. For example, this one, and they have so many stock images that you can use for free. And look at that, we have a really nice looking image, and we can just add some text. For example, swipe up to buy my overpriced laptop, right? And we can do something like this, and voila, it's here. Maybe it's not the best one, the colors don't really match. We should actually use something else. This back, yeah, if it's a little bit girlier, because now we have the background is girlier, we have a female in the photo, but yeah, you get the idea. And we just click save, and then from here we can add it to our story by just clicking your story, or save our video, click save our video, and it will be saved to our camera roll, which later we can add to our story. Let me show you some other stuff. Like if you just go down below, and you can start from blank, right? Something that I really like doing is, let's say this one, right? We choose this image, and now we gotta add some text. We can add a bunch of graphics. We have stickers, GIFs, logos, right? You can have something like this, which I actually really enjoy. Bam, look at that. And then we can add some text on top. I don't know, maybe I actually like glitching effects a lot. Hey, I'm a dog, and we can just add this here. And now look at this, right? It looks way better. It looks way better than a normal story, right? And you would spend a very little time to create this, and actually encourage you to use this app. You have some fonts and some stuff that are free. I think some of these were for free. 20% on all items, right? You have templates like this, right? You have a drop shipping store, whatever. You just use this template, and then you add the swipe up feature, or say link in bio if you're below 10k followers in. And yeah, I really want to know how you get creative with the app. So let me know that in the comment section down below. What will you use it for? What niche are you in? And you know what? Since it is the end of the video, make sure you comment your Instagram username down below, and I'll shout you out in one of the next episodes. Every single person that comments their username will be shouted out in one of the next episodes. And if you want to know if you're a shout winner, well, you know right now, because on this video we have a bunch. this is so much for today's episode. Remember that video A keeps the doctor away, and by the end of this video, you should definitely check this or this video. See you next one. Bye.